welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do the super lonely TikTok trend, which is becoming very popular and it is very easy to learn, and it's also very catchy. I actually do it all the time, and it's a little bit longer than usual because usually most TikTok dances are 15 seconds, but this one is almost 30 seconds, but it's still very easy to learn. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now, let's get started. So, the very first thing we're gonna do is pop our shoulder. So, our left hand in front of us is bent like this. Our hand is in a fist. We're popping our shoulder. Then we're going to the side, to the front, and then there are 3 beats. So, 1, 2, 3. So, it's gonna look like this. Pop, side, side, 1, 2, 3. Once again, pop, side, side, 1, 2, 3. Now it's gonna be faster. It's gonna be very fast. So this is one of the fastest parts of the dance, and it's like 4 movements. So just practice them, and you'll get it very fast. So it's gonna be like this. So you have to do it fast. So after this, we are gonna do a circle with our hand, and then with both our hands we are showing up. So our fingers are pointing up, and we're gonna do this. So it's circle, up, circle, up. So we're gonna do a little step to the side with our left leg like this and up. So it's 1, 2. Let's do it from the very beginning. So pop, side, side, 1, 2, 3, circle, up. Now it says I'm loser. So for loser, we're gonna do 1, 1, 2. So first of all, we're just gonna show an L with our hands, and we're going to the side. So let's start from the very beginning. Pop, side, side, 1, 2, 3, circle, up. And then we can do another circle, and then loser. So once again, pop, side, side, 1, 2, 3, side, up, and then side, loser. Then what we're gonna do, so like this, and we're gonna do 1, 2. So 1, 2, our hands are in fists. 1, 2, and then we're going 1, 2. So for this movement, we're doing a little step with our right leg. We're leaning forward, and with our hands we're doing this. So showing our hands. So once again, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then we're gonna do 2 circles with our hands. So let's start from the very beginning. Pop, side, side, 1, 2, 3, circle, up, circle, loser, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then circle, circle, and then we're gonna do this. So for our body, we're gonna do a wave, down and then up. So we're starting with our head, and then going down, 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 and then do the opposite. So we're gonna start with our legs and going up. So let's do it once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And our hand is like this, so it says drinking. So we're just gonna show like as if we were drinking something. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we do the wave up, our hand is gonna go like this in a circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it says thinking. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. So once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's start from the very beginning. So pop, side, side, 1, 2, 3, circle, up, circle, loser, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Circle, circle, drinking, thinking. So thinking, and then we're going to the side, to the side. And now this is the very confusing part, but it's gonna be okay. Like when I watched the TikTok, it was very confusing. But we're just gonna do this as if we were watching something. We're going down a little bit, then we're gonna shake our hand just slightly like this. 1, 2, 3. And then she says, I've been lonely. So we're gonna do this. So it looks confusing. Our left hand is in front of us, like this bent. Our right hand is on our left one. We're going to the side. We're doing a circle like this. And then we're gonna do do this. So from here it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna count to 1 after this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's start from the very beginning. Pop, side, side, 1, 2, 3, circle, up, circle, loser, 1, 2, 3, and 4, circle, circle, drinking, thinking, side, side, watch, shake, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it once again from the beginning. I will go on because we have almost nothing left. So let's go. Pop, side, side, 1, 2, 3, circle, up, circle, loser, 1, 2, 3, and 4, circle, circle, drinking, thinking, side, side, watch, shake, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're gonna do a circle with our hands so that they end up over here. So it looks like this. And we're doing a circle to the left and going up. And then we're gonna do this. So it's gonna be 4 times. So it's doing a roll like the one we did here. It's almost the same. So it's roll, 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 roll. And then I'll show you what to do after that. But let's start from here, from watch. So watch, shake, 1, 2, 3, 4, circle, side, 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 side. And now what we're gonna do is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to the side with our elbow, doing a circle around our head, side with our elbow, circle around our head. So once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're gonna roll with our hands and do the whoa. And we are done. So let's start from the very beginning, 1 time slowly, and then 1 time a little bit faster, but still you would have to practice a little bit to get it to the normal speed. So let's do it. Pop, side, side, 1, 2, 3, circle, up, circle, loser, 1, 2, 3, and 4, circle, circle, drinking, thinking, side, side, watch, shake, 1, 2, 3, 4, circle, side, 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 circle, side, circle, roll, and whoa. That's it. So let's do it from the beginning, but a little bit faster, and we're done. So pop, side, side, 1, 2, 3, circle, up, circle, loser, 1, 2, 3, and 4, circle, circle, drinking, thinking, side, side, watch, shake, 1, 2, 3, 4, circle, side, 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 circle, side, circle, roll, and whoa. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!